So we have decided for observing a plant where we will observe where is the node region, internode region, where are the meristematic tissues are present, and we will discuss today in the chapter 2 tissues. Okay, and basically we are going to understand which tissue? Plant tissues. Grass comes under monocot.
Yes.
Monocot means having single cotyledon. There are two angiosperms, means flowering plant are of two types, monocot and dicot. It comes under monocot.
Monocot.
If you observe the plant, what you will see, that plant is having what? Node.
No.
Are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
This is
Node.
node. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
It is having nodes.
Nodes.
So node is the region from where you are seeing these lateral branches are arising.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Lateral
Branches.
branches are arising. The gap between two nodes, like this is the node and this is the node. The gap between these two nodes are called
Calorie.
internode.
Internode.
Internode. The region between
Between the
two
two
nodes is called internode.
Internode.
Okay. Ab now if you see, this is what? This is the apical,
Yes, sir.
stem apical portion. So here you will see whatever new leaves are arising, new branching are arising, that are arising from here itself.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So new cells are adding here. If new cells are adding here, so the height of the plant will increase.
Yes, sir.
The same as you will observe in root also. Later I will uproot it and I will show you also. Okay. So whatever, if new cells are adding here, so the height of the plant will increase. So that is due to apical meristem. Which meristem?
Apical meristem.
Apical meristem, because these tissues are highly dividing tissues. The same as if you will observe root. Are you seeing this?
Yes, sir.
This is grass,
Yes, sir.
cynodon. What is botanical name of this?
Yes, sir.
Another thing, if you see in this plant, what I told you in the very beginning, if you see it, this seems one plant, but there are many roots. This is the root, this is the root, this is the root. So what is happening here? Like this was the main plant, okay, and this side branch, okay, it came in
The
contact with ground, okay, and later from the bud region, the root developed. You may see here,
Yes, sir.
the root has been developed.
Yes, sir.
This is what? This is showing vegetative propagation. Okay? It is what? It is vegetative propagation. Means this single plant can make many plants, independent plants. And if you will detach the plant, mother plant from here to here, it will develop into an independent plant. So it is a very good example of vegetative propagation, where there is no requirement of seed. Only the vegetative part of the plant is able to make new plant. Okay, so this you have observed with Cynodon procera, that is wild grass. What I told you about here, meristematic tissues. Meristematic tissues are of three types: apical, lateral, and intercalary. So this was a plant, basically monocot, that is divided into node and internode, and it is visible here also.
Yes.
Like if you see this mango plant. Come closer. If you see mango plant, okay, so from here you are seeing many branches. This branch is coming. From here this branch is coming. From here this branch is coming. So where is the node? This is the node. From where the branch is coming. This is the node. From where branch is coming. This is the node. From where branch is coming. This is the node. From where branch coming. This is the node. From where branch coming. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So the gap between the two nodes, it is called
Internode.
So obvious, it is very obvious that in intercalary tissues are present here. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to see? Arvinder,
Yes.
are you able to see?
Yes.
Intercalary tissues are present here. Okay? And here, if you see, new leaves, if you observe the plant, new leaves are added at the top. See?
Yes, sir.
It means what? that apical meristematic tissues. You see, a very new leaves are there. So apical meristematic tissues are present at the top. And this plant, you are seeing it is what? Very thin plant, and later on it will become thick also.
Yes, sir.
So how it is becoming thick? Because that lateral meristematic tissues will increase its girth. This rose plant also, whatever new leaves are coming, so that are coming at the apex. Okay? Yes. The leaf. If you observe the plant, the branches are arising from here, from here. These are very new, and they are not at the top also.
Yes.
So how it is possible that these are arising? Because some special type of tissue is present here. That is what? Intercalary.
Intercalary.
Okay? Intercalary tissue. And right now it is looking thin. Later it will become thick also. So how it is possible? Because whatever lateral tissues are present, that is lateral meristematic tissues,
Yes.
that will increase its girth also. Okay? So flower is arising from here. If you may see,
Yes,
that is
sir.
what? That is the node region.
Node.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is the node region. That is the node region. Okay? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Oh, thank you.